Welcome to another useful video from techx YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to make your PC looks cool. Let's start. First open your web browser and search Nexus Wheelstep. So I am doing it like this. Then you have to click on this. The link is also in the description. You can also use it. So now you have to click on this download button. I have already downloaded it, so let's install it. First you have to do is go to the location that you download this file. Then double click on this. Now you have to select this Nexus setup, and here you have to select the language. I'm selecting it like this. Then select this I accept the agreement. So I'm doing it like this and click on next. Here you have to select the location that you have to install. So do it like this.
Here we go.
Then click on install. Here it appears on Nexus toolbar. So now we have to change different customization settings. So click on this Nexus icon. So here you can change themes of this toolbar. So you can do it like this. There are many themes. You can try them all. So here you can see the animation settings, so you can change them as you like. And click on apply to save it. Here you can change the place of your toolbar. You can set it like this. Here you can also increase and decrease the size of your toolbar. So you can do it like this. So here you can also drag and drop icons to the toolbar as you like. So you can do it like this. And you can remove unwanted icons like this.
Invincible.
I think this video is useful for you. Please comment below about that. Leave a like, share with friends, and remember to subscribe for more videos like this.